Hi guys, let's enjoy nature in 3, 2, 1, let's go! We have some leaves. Okay. And then we have some like these. We have a stick. There. We've got a tree. This is the blue cord. My mom's. We got some more. We have grass. We have a beautiful lake. Walking on the grass and leaves. Guys, nature is so sick. Look what I just found. Hi, look. Merry Christmas. Guys, look. Some flowers. Okay, bye. Those are some random people talking.